Gmail Auto Followup automates follow-up emails and mail merge. Start by clicking the Auto Followup button. Name your campaign. Import email addresses from CSV, Google Contacts, or enter them manually. Here's your first email outreach. Choose a great template or craft your own message. Templates are easy to edit. Use merge tags to include your schedule. Go to your second email. Adjust the copy. Adjust the schedule. Your follow-up emails will automatically be sent for you. Enter your email to Salesforce or CRM address here, and when you're finished editing, hit send. Success! Your email messages will automatically be sent for you. Gmail Auto Followup is intuitive and allows you to track your campaign. You can see when emails are opened and replied to. cloudHQ, helping your productivity one click at a time.